Set on over an acre of land, this beautiful Cape Ann draws people in with its charming farmer's porch and lush gardens. A brick walkway leads you to the spacious floor plan that showcases new hardwood flooring and oversized windows, providing plenty of natural light. Step inside to the foyer that abuts the double parlor, where you can entertain friends and family alike. Host meals in the formal dining room, where a wall-sized picture window bathes the room in a warm glow. Marble countertops and stainless steel appliances gleam in the chef's kitchen, with a center island and a convenient breakfast area. Down the hall past the half bath is the family room, with built-in shelves and an entertainment center and a brick fireplace to keep you and your guests warm. Through the laundry room with custom cabinets is the generous Florida room surrounded by walls of windows. The expansive manicured grounds provide a lush setting for any outdoor gathering. Relax by the sparkling in-ground pool on the custom stonework patio. On the second floor is an incredible master suite with a master bath boasting a soaking tub and a glass shower. Completing this level are 2 additional bedrooms which share a lovely full bath. Tucked away in North Scituate, this beautiful property is surrounded by orchards and farmland where you can find locally grown produce like Frederickson Farm and the Barden Family Orchard. Visit the dining and shopping options at the Apple Valley Mall. Easy on-street access allows you to swiftly travel to downtown Providence and the vibrant culture. For more information, please visit the property website or call Michelle Snoren at area code 401-487-2679.